Looking to build a premium keyboard without taking a loan? Look no further with the Mode Envoy. It's a 65% keyboard that offers a lot for its price point, and you can get it at any time you want. That means no more sighing because you missed the group buy and hoping that they release a round 2. The kit comes with a very durable carrying case that holds the keyboard case. I chose a black aluminum one. Hidden underneath is the gray weight and the accent bar. You also have your lattice and solid mounts, bunch of screws, and screwdriver attachments. A daughter board and its matching cable, a screwdriver and a 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller. Lastly, we have the FR plate and the PCB with a nice Mode branding all over it. A quick thing to note is that once you're done building your board, you can repurpose these compartments to hold whatever you want, like a coiled cable, artisans, a deck of cards, a whole ass kunai, and you're not limited to just these options. If you head over to the website, link in the description, you can customize your own board with an arrangement of different colors for the case, the weight in the back, accent, etc. But be aware, some options increase the price of the kit, which the original starting price was $189, but as of August 1st, the starting price will be adjusted to $219. Unlucky. Keep in mind that this board does not come with any foam for sound dampening. So, if you like using foam in your boards, for an additional $12, you can head over to their extras component section and add that to your cart along with any other extras you want. If you're relatively new to the hobby or want to save some hassle, you can also pick up the rest of your build, meaning the switches, keycaps, and stabilizers, from Mode as well and save a bit of extra money with their bundle discount. Taking a look at the board itself, it's hot swap if you choose the hot swap PCB, programmable with QMK and VIA, has LED underglow, and has Mode's special lattice block mounting system. Basically, the lattice blocks have holes inside which allows for more compression, which leads to a more flexy and bouncy typing experience. Makes it more boing boing, versus their solid block mounts, which makes the typing experience firmer. For this board, we're going to use C3 Equalz cream stabs with gold wires, lubed with dielectric grease, and we're going to add some sticker pads underneath the stabs to help reduce rattle. For the stab housings, I'm using your go-to Crytux 205 grade 0 because that's all I got. I'm going with some banana milk switches. Love the Equalz bottle packaging, by the way. Switches are going to be lubed with Tribox 3203 and the springs lubed with GPL 105 oil. Lastly, we're throwing in the foam kit and Osume's Matcha Hiragana keycaps with the novelty kit. It looks amazing. Here's a quick sound test. Like many people say, the typing experience with the new lattice blocks is similar to the gummy O-ring, but again, it's not the same because it has two fasteners at the bottom, kind of acting like a tray mount. I will say that the spacebar is having some issues. I think it's with the keycap set that I bought, but just letting you know that this is a commission build and I didn't choose these parts. The keycaps that I got, or at least this batch, are kind of warped. For example, the caps button and the right shift, but that's just some super tiny nitpicking. It's a little annoying though. Some things about the board you should know is that the mounts were a little bit hard to remove, especially the solid block mounts, so be careful when you pull them out so you don't rip them. I definitely think you need foam in this board for acoustic wise, but again, it's up to your preference. Highly recommend it though. Other than that, I can't find anything else to complain about. It's a very solid board for its price point in terms of quality, looks, availability, etc. I think it's perfect for people looking for a higher end keyboard without having to eat spam for the next month. Then again, spam is goated though. Well, that's it. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment below. And if you watched this far, consider dropping a sub and a like for more content. Thanks guys.